Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to grade 4 maths class. Today it is last session of chapter 4 multiplication. So today we are going to revise the new words and going to do MCQ of chapter 4 multiplication. So first, what are the new words in chapter 4? Look at the first image, multiplication. So when you are multiplying two numbers, the first number is called multiplicand and the second number is called multiplier. So when you are multiplying multiplicand with multiplier, you get the product, that is the answer. And next, commutative property. So commutative property means multiplication of two numbers in any order gives the same result. That is 2 into 5 or 5 into 2, the answer is 10. So this property is called commutative property. And next third image is associative property. So while multiplying 3 or more numbers, if we change the grouping of the numbers, the product remains the same. That is, look at the example, 3 into bracket of 4 into 2. That is, if you are exchanging the bracket, that is grouping, multiplying symbol, that is bracket of 3 into 4 into 2, the answer is 24. So, however, you are changing the brackets when multiplying 3 or more numbers, the product remains the same. So, this type of property is called associative property. So these are the new words of chapter 4, multiplication. And next, now we are going to do a workbook problem, page number 45, question number 15. Complete the cross number puzzle of multiplication. So you have to do the cross number puzzle and they have given the clues also. So the clues for across and down are given. You just have to read out the question, find out the answer, and write down in the cross number puzzle. See, for the A question, Nisha reads 32 pages of her storybook every day. How many pages does she read in a week? So Nisha is reading 32 pages regularly daily. Okay. So for a week, how you will find? So 1 week equal to 7 days. So 32 into 7. You have to find out the answer and write down in this box, that is across. See the first A and you have to write out the answer in these three boxes. Okay. Similarly, read out the all questions, multiply the numbers and find out the answer and write down whether it is across or down and fill down all the boxes. Okay, children. And next, now MCQ of chapter 4. Okay, page number 46. First question. The product of 39,360 and 0 is dash. So you have to find the product of two numbers and write down the answer. Okay, just tick the correct answer. Second question. 25,438 into 1. Third question. 1,245 into 5 is equal to 5 into dash. Use the commutative property and find out the answer. Fourth question. 351 into 125. Use the commutative property and find out the answer. And fifth question. 16 multiplied by bracket of 8 into 4. So they are multiplying three numbers. So choose associative property and find out the answer. Next, sixth question. 4 into 10,000. So 4 into 10,000. Find out the answer. Seventh question. In the statement, 100 into 6 is 600. So 600 is the dash. So 600, how you will say? Whether it is multiplicand, product, or multiplier. Recall the new words and find out the answer. Eighth question. In the statement, 150 into 6 is 900. So 6 is the dash. So 6 is multiplicand or multiplier or product. Ninth question. The product of 524 into 20. So find the multiplication product and choose the answer. Last question. 456 into 200. So 456 into 200, find out the product. Okay, children. So today we have read new words in chapter 4 in page number 55, and your homework is 15th question and MCQ of workbook. Okay, once you have completed, hand in Google Classroom app grade 4 maths. So today we have completed chapter 4. So next class you will be having an assessment on chapter 4 multiplication. So prepare well for your chapter 4 multiplication on Friday. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.